Hi there, this is Adam Jones from the Wolf Rock Boat Company. Hope you guys are well. You find me down here at the site of Southampton International Boat Show that starts Friday next week, and we are so excited to see many of you down here over the whole of the show. Now, on the stand, which we've been building over the last few days, a few of the boats are already in position. Most of them are here. There's a few more to come, but I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of the boats that you can expect to see at Southampton Boat Show from the Wolf Rock Boat Company. So on my right here, we've got a few of the classic Bimini Eagle range. So we've got an Eagle 6 just here. We've got an Eagle 6.7 here and an Eagle 8. They look absolutely fantastic in the sunshine and well worth a look if you're interested. And then on this side of the stand, we're going to have the custom black range of the Eagle range. So we've got an Eagle 6, an Eagle 6.7, an Eagle 8, and something that we're really excited to have at this year's Southampton Boat Show is this absolutely fantastic looking Eagle 10 from Brig with two Suzuki 350 duo props on the back. Her tubes are down at the moment, but she is going to look fantastic for the show. So come along and have a look at that. And then behind Rory over here, we have the Iron Boat range on the main stand as well. So we've got an 827 in white with a 350 duo prop on the back and a T-top. This one here is a 767. Then we've got a 707 with a T-top. Now this boat is one that I've only seen inside the storage unit, and when you see it outside with the T-top in black, that is a bit of me. And then next to that, we're going to have a black 647 as well. So the full Iron Boat range, two in black, two in white, some on the water. There's going to be Brigs on the water as well. As we go back towards the hospitality unit, which is going to be behind me, we're really excited to see some of you guys for the party on the Saturday night as well. We've got this extra section of the Wolf Rock stand. Now this is going to be our UMS area. So over here, we're going to have a 700 HT. So here, we're going to have a 585 DC. In the middle, we're going to have a 485 CC. Back here, a 700 HT, and on the far side over there, a 655 CC. My 545 is over on the Suzuki stand. Inside the tent over there, we're going to have Colibris and Smartwave, and we're going to have the entire team from the Wolf Rock Boat Company here for the entirety of the show. We really hope that you come along and say hello. Southampton International Boat Show is a fantastic day out. We'll be on the Wolf Rock stand for the entirety, and we'll see you guys here.